Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's Monday. And for the second Monday in a row, a lot of you have commented that you were surprised to see that Google Chrome has an update. We had talked about the fact that Google Chrome would be updating now every pretty much, you know, every week, every 2 weeks, when it has new features to install. And I guess this is what it's going to be like. So every 2 weeks, we'll probably have two updates. And every week, we'll have one update for the security. So today, I would guess this is simply a feature update, although there's no news of what's in, and the blog posts are kind of complicated to go through. So there's, just a simple update. I don't think it contains anything security. If you go into the three dots, the help and about Google Chrome, you will be version 146.0.7680.164 or 165, depending on the version of the operating system you're using, Linux, Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. And so this is the update that has arrived. That will be the update for pretty much simply, tweaking features and things like that within the operating system. So I expect that later this week we'll have our regular security update like last week. So it's 2 weeks in a row, and this is going to be interesting to see what's next. But yeah, definitely there is a update today. It'll apply when it applies, and I don't think it's an urgent update. Personally, there really isn't talk of anything security in here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.